Oh, look at this.
Let's start. Let's play. You're ready to play, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hey, I got a small table.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Small table, that'll be perfect.
We're gonna get it when we have.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh,
You shouldn't be a
No,
salad.
she'll get water on her.
Oh, you are in trouble. Yeah, you are in trouble. She'll dry up in a minute.
Yeah.
You guys want anything to drink?
Yeah, I want water.
Josh wants water.
Josh, we got ginger ale, Pepsi,
No.
no Coke.
No, I can't have it. I can't have it.
No, he doesn't drink sodas.
Josh, the refrigerator back there, there's a bunch of bottled water.
Okay.
Josh, did you see all these cards?
Yes, Uncle Vin showed me.
I love this one.
Yeah.
Looking at it.
Oh, by the way, that's a radio that looks like the dashboard of a Mustang.
Mustang, yeah.
Oh my God, I couldn't believe it. I'm thinking, what is this? This looks like the dashboard of a Mustang with the speed and the whole bit,
Yeah.
the oil and the gas, and oh my God.
Pretty appropriate. Yeah, I'm going to, I got 2 more boxes of cards that I.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I was telling them, you used to do that when you were 13.
Do we show
I guess
the drawing, huh?
Before you were 13, because I was 10.
Hell yeah.
I was 10 when I arrived, and you already had a
Well,
bunch
I
of cards.
started in Cuba.
Oh.
I was Jesucito's house.
Hold on, sweetie.
And they had given him a present of a Mercedes Benz.
Oh,
A
wow.
150.
Hold on.
You know, a kid, so you can
Uh-huh.
get it, right?
Hold
So,
on.
and he didn't want nothing to do with it. Go, shit, I'll take it. So I built it, and then I got hooked on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in Miami, I had a hell of a good collection too.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. And as a matter of fact, I had a garage sale and everything.